Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm practicing my skills with the GEPRC AX-5. As you know, this is a beautiful little quad. This is my cheapest quad, but also the one that I'm going to use a lot to learn. So I'm not afraid of crushing it and everything, and it's really nice and solid quadcopter. And I have a good camera in here, the Foxeer camera. It delivers very good pictures, and what I like about this frame is that it is totally secure inside the frame here. I'm using this Quantum action camera. I don't want to use my GoPro or anything when I know I'm going to crash it sooner or later, so I'm just using this to practice. You know, my Turnigy Evolution, my goggles, and today I'm going to fly around here. Beautiful landscape. There's a river over there. There's some work going on around the area around here, so it could be quite exciting to fly around. So yes, let's go and get on with it. nice one. A lot of good flying and nice flying around here. It was so fun, and I really have to say, if you're going to start flying race quads, you have to do it cheap, and don't be afraid of your gear, because then you will restrict yourself. I feel I can do anything with this, and I take my chances and everything, and oh, it's so fun. It's so much fun. I cannot believe it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it too. See you back.